Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
In this video, I will share 10 important Google Chrome shortcuts along with a bonus. So you have to watch this video to learn about the Google Chrome shortcuts. Google Chrome is a very important browser and most common used browser in the world. We use Google Chrome in our PC, computer, laptop. We also use Google Chrome in our smartphones. Today in this video, I will share 10 keyboard shortcuts which helps in your daily use of Google Chrome. Hi, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow. I am your host, Ratul. Before starting the video, I have a special announcement for you. Guys, if you want to learn computer from home with proper certificates and guidance, then WhiteCane Academy is here for you. We have our courses, Computer Literacy Expert, where you can learn Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. We have Advanced Excel with use of AI. We have Prompt Engineering course. We have Web Development course using AI and Web Development course using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Additionally, we also have sound editing course, audio editing course with professional digital audio workstation, and we also have programming course such as Python. Not only this, we are also having some other courses which is especially non-technical. So without further delay, just go and visit our official website from the about page of our channel and enroll whatever course you prefer. The best part, you don't need to wait for the batch, when the batch will start or not. You and your trainer will be there. Your mentor and trainer will be guide you, and you'll be getting guidance from your trainer. At the end of the course, you'll get the certificates and lots more. Visit our website for more details. Now let's talk about today's topic. So guys, I have already opened Google Chrome and currently I have opened this site.
Muted Google Chrome.
Now, if I want to open another site, I can either open again Google Chrome or here I can open another new tab. So shortcut number 1, open new tab. If you want to open new tab, press Ctrl+T.
New tab Google Chrome.
Let's say here I will search or I will type, let's say another website of government, suppose irctc.in.
R until TCTFC on ERC. In ERC not selected. ERC not.
Oh sorry, this is not the website. So just let me search something and I'll open it.
R on TCT until TT. CTC Google.com.
Or I can open booking.com.
Booking.com selected. Link skip the main booking. Dismiss sign in information. Click up.
So this is our shortcut number 1. Moving to next. Number 2, new window. Now this is the same tab. Same window but different tab. You can switch between tabs using Control tab and Shift tab. But what if you want to open a new window, which means Google Chrome will reopen again. To do this, press Ctrl+N.
New tab Google Chrome window. New tab Google Chrome.
Though it is saying that new tab, but it actually opens a new window. Moving to next. Shortcut number 3. If you want to hide your activity from Google and if you want to do any private browsing, then you have to open any website in incognito window. To open a new incognito window, press Ctrl+Shift+N.
New incognito tab Google Chrome window.
Though it says incognito tab, but still it is incognito window, and this window, in this window you can search anything, but remember here you cannot check downloads history and any other things. Moving to next. Shortcut number 4. I have just opened the booking.com. Now I have worked with it. I want to close this tab only, not other tabs, other websites. I can press Ctrl+W.
Muted Google.
And now you can see I come back to the UDID official website. Moving to next. Shortcut number 5. If you want to know what is being downloaded or what are the download progress, you can go to the downloads tab and there you can check everything. To go to the downloads tab, press shortcut Ctrl+J.
download history document. Search download history edit blank.
Here you can search or you can press upload, download or any other navigation keys to access the downloads tab. I mean all the downloads folder. Moving to next. Shortcut number 6. We visit every day many sites, but we forget what sites we have visited yesterday. But Google Chrome or any other browser always remember it. To check the history of your sites, you can open the browser history using the shortcut Ctrl-H.
History document. Search.
Here you can see all the sites, and if you want to open any site, you can definitely open. Now I'm just going to open another website. Let's say timesofindia.com.
timesofindia.com.
And this is a news website, and it is important for you in daily life. Daily you read news. So next shortcut is for you. Moving to next. Shortcut number 7. Those websites like Times of India, if you are visiting them daily, then you can save them as a bookmark. You just need to press Ctrl+D and give it a name, and then you can save it as a bookmark. If you need a detailed video, let me know in the comment section. So I'll make, or I think I have made one video, so you can check it out. So if you just press
Toy breaking news, latest news, bookmark name.
It's opening the bookmark dialog, so you just need to enter the details and save it as a bookmark. Moving to next. Shortcut number 8. If you want to access or remove or manage all other bookmarks or check bookmarks, you have to press another shortcut to open the bookmark manager, which is Ctrl-Shift-O.
Bookmarks, Google Chrome window.
Here you can find the folders and all other bookmarks. You can delete, edit and update. Shortcut number 9. This is important for the developers, especially those who are developing with JavaScript. If you want to run a script in Google Chrome, and if you want to check any errors, or if you want to execute your code, or if you want to check any website's HTML code, then you can open the developer tools mode by pressing F12.
Toy break console.
By pressing the same key, you can also come back again to the website. This is actually called browser console window. Moving to next. Shortcut number 10. Now you are in the
Search
download tab. Suppose now you want to go to any website without changing the tab. So you need to go to the address bar. The shortcut to go to the address bar is
download history.
Ctrl-L or Alt-D, and you can type the address here and press enter to search or go any website. Now it's time for bonus, and I can 200% assure that you don't know this shortcut. Suppose now I have opened Times of India's website, and now by mistake I close this tab using Ctrl-W.
History document.
Oh my god, I need it again. Now I know Times of India is open last. But if you forget or if you don't know what site is open last time, you can again open the last closed tab by pressing a shortcut which is Ctrl-Shift-T.
Toy breaking news.
Yes, Times of India websites is now back, and you can easily do whatever you want. These are some useful shortcuts I have shown for Google Chrome, but you can also try for other browsers. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button, hype this video, and share this video with your loved ones. If you are interested, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. We continuously share information over there. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. All links are given in the video description below. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.